In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag icons into your Miro board. If you're looking to enhance your creative layouts or simply make your presentations more compelling, one fundamental skill to master is how to seamlessly incorporate icons into your Miro board. Whether you're using Miro for brainstorming sessions, mind maps, or just organizing your thoughts, being able to quickly and effortlessly move icons onto your board is a handy trick to learn. So let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Miro.com. This will take you to the homepage of the Miro website, where you'll have the chance to log in and access all your personalized boards. Once you're there, look for the login option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this option to bring up the login menu. Now, if you have your login credentials handy, you can proceed by signing in with your email, or if it's more convenient, with your Google account. For those who prefer to use an email, select the Continue with Email option. Enter your email address and password to log in securely. If you're using Google, just select the appropriate button and follow the prompts to access your account with a couple of clicks. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Miro dashboard. Here, you'll see all the boards you've created or have access to. Locate the board you want to work on and click on it to open. Once you've opened your desired board, you're in the home stretch of this process. Next, you'll need to navigate to the location where your icons are stored, whether they're saved on your computer, in an online library, or stored somewhere else. Make sure you have easy access to them. This step is straightforward but crucial, as having your icons accessible will streamline the dragging process. Okay, now comes the fun part. Navigate to your stored icons, then simply click on the icon you wish to move. You'll want to click and hold the icon with your mouse. Once you've got a firm virtual grip on it, drag it over to your open Miro board. You'll see it move along with your cursor. When you're happy with its placement on the board, let go of the mouse button to drop the icon into place. And there you have it, the icon is now neatly placed on your Miro board. This simple drag and drop action can be repeated for as many icons as you need, making it a quick process to populate your board with useful visuals. Now you can focus on organizing and polishing your board for whatever amazing projects you're working on. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon moving icons will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy mirroring.